New Bedford area has some great golf courses, and we'll be taking a look at this historical hub on the south coast of golf, one would say, with legendary Donald Ross designing a few of them. Taking a look here at number 3, we have Rochester Golf Club. This course definitely has a lot to offer, with a par 72 measuring 5,300 yards. While it's shorter than the other two, it's easier. With water is the main priority here in keeping your way out of it, with 15 water hazards, 21 sand bunkers on this 18-hole golf course. It's a fun atmosphere, a true parkland style course to move us in the direction of great golf in this area. But before we do, it's important to note that if you have any information on these courses, write it down in the comment section below. The next course is considered the Dr. Jekyll and Mr. Hyde of the South Coast. Owned by the town, it is a designed Brian Savalan golf course and is rated among the best value in Massachusetts, offering 2 complete different golf experiences, with the front 9 being more woods California style, carved through the wood pinelands, and the back 9 more of a links, hit your ball on the 12th hole and it disappears into the trees, Scottish feel. Either or, it's definitely a beautiful championship golf course here that cuts through the wonderful tree land of this area. And it's owned and operated by the township, which makes it a fun little municipal course. It doesn't look municipal though. Wow, there's some great golf in this area, and as we head on over into number 1, we want to hear from anyone that has information of courses that we missed. We'll definitely be making updates on number 1. Next one is known as the Whale Course to some locals in the New Bedford area institution. This is a public track that offers a great golf experience. With no houses on the tree lines, it feels like a remarkable course despite the major highways that do cut through. This is originally a Donald Ross design course in the 1920s, and the course has several characteristics of a beautiful public golf course. With its transformation in 2025 and late 2025, the city of Bedford is moving forward with some municipal changes to its campus and 95 acres of property. This course remains an 18-hole facility with redevelopment plans, moving 3 holes and modernizing the clubhouse to ensure that the Whale is consistent with its championship length at 6,780 yards, which is a true test with these small greens built in the 1920s. And they have been expanded since then, but nonetheless, it is a great golf course, even though you're right next to some big highways. That's it for this video. Keep a lookout for more videos to come.